Hey, it's Triston. Real quick, I want to kind of give you a little bit of a preview of what's going to be happening here with these next 3 videos. Basically, what's going on is I finally sat down and made myself a Weebly SEO course, and I'm giving away the first 3 videos for free. And the idea behind this is that it gives you a chance to kind of see what kind of content is going to be covered in the course. It's going to give you a little bit of an idea of the problems that we're trying to solve and how I like to teach things in my courses. So that way, if it sounds like something that you would be interested in, if it sounds like something that fixes your problems, then you're going to have a pretty sizable taste of what's actually going to be in the course itself. The estimated price for the course as it stands right now is going to be $197. That is 10% of what I normally charge per month to do SEO for somebody. It's like to manage their website, so it should be a pretty good deal. This is not going to teach you how to become an SEO, but it will teach you how to manage the optimization for your own website, so that way you can get more traffic and start to grow your online presence. So that being said, let's go ahead and hop into the tutorial. Alright, welcome to video 1. My name is Triston. I own Untitled SEO Ninja and I do search engine optimization for a living. In this video, we're going to quickly go over the plan for this course and the materials that we will be covering. So first things first, the goal behind SEO, like the entire purpose of this process, is to help the Google robots to understand your website, who it is that you're trying to reach with the content of your website, and the questions that you're trying to answer for those people. So let's work backwards from here. The question in marketing lingo is called the customer's pain point. It's the problem that they have and that they're trying to find the solution for. That problem can be that they need a new roof, or they might need Chinese food for dinner, or maybe their bathtub is on fire, who knows? The pain point could also simply be that they just want to know the latest gossip about their favorite TV show. So this is the purpose of the website that you're creating, and what we want to do is we want to make sure that Google can understand that. And in order to do that, we need to have our audience in mind. We need to think about the people who actually are asking that question. We need to know what kind of words that they're using. We need to know where they are. We need to know how they're looking for answers or where they're looking for those answers to those pain points. And then we need to know how to best communicate with them so that way Google can recognize that those are the people that we're trying to reach. And finally, we want to build and adjust the website itself so that way Google has an easier time of reading the site's content and understanding everything else that we've been talking about here on this slide. So the question is, how do we do that? Like this. So the good news is that the process is actually pretty straightforward. Yeah, there's a lot of nuance and depth to it if you really want to get into it. Like, we're not going to talk about pillow links and anchor text ratios and that kind of stuff in this, but the basic core concepts are actually very, very simple. They break down into on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and tracking. The first phase is called on-page SEO. These are where we make changes to the website itself so that way Google can understand it. In off-page SEO, we start building backlinks to the website in order to gain authority and trust. And finally, we need to track our progress to make sure that everything's actually working. And so, aside from this getting started section, the rest of the course is broken up into these 3 sections. We're covering the basic steps for each of them now, and then I'll show you how to apply them to your Weebly website. Now, don't tell anybody, but these processes are actually the exact same things that you would do on Weebly, or WordPress, or pretty much any other website builder, except for maybe Wix, but that's because Wix is dumb. So, are you ready to get started?